Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome. My name is Karen, and if this is your first time here, I am expecting baby number 6. I currently have 5 boys, and this baby is also a boy. So for my baby shower theme, I have chosen to do like a safari type of decoration. So if you haven't checked out my last video where I showed my haul of what I bought, go ahead and leave that in the description box below so you can check it out. So for today, I'm going to do DIY for the gift bags that I'm going to give for the gifts for the games, like the prize winners or the gifts for the winners, those that win the games. Okay, so I got this here off of Amazon. It comes in a pack and it brings, I want to say, 4 different animals. So the giraffe, the elephant, the little tiger, I believe it brings a giraffe and a zebra, maybe a monkey too. I need to go back and see. But they're so cute, and I feel like the color stands out perfect. The size is a little bit big, so let me cut it out just here. I feel like it's a little big. The bag is kind of big. It's kind of like the gift bags. So, oh, it's gonna fit perfect. So there you go. So I also got a pack of gift bags from Amazon. It was just cheaper that way. I couldn't find, I was looking for brown because I'm going to do, I'll show you guys in a minute, but like the grass. So I got this kind of paper, which I got at Michael's. So it's green and it's a sticky kind, so you don't have to put any glue or anything like that. You just peel it off and stick it however you want. So I'm going to be using this. You're going to need some scissors and a Sharpie, your bag, of course, and the little, it's like a little poster type of material. It's not thin, so I think it's gonna be very good. And I'm also gonna use a glue gun to stick the pictures on there. So as I mentioned, I wanted to get brown, but they didn't have the brown that I was going for, just as the background, like the background of it. So I got all white. So we'll see how this turns out. Hopefully I don't mess it up because I bought like 3 of these because it's not gonna be that many gift bags that I'm gonna be making. So hopefully I don't mess this up. So first thing I'm gonna do is trace what is gonna be like my grass. So I'm going to trace that here along the bottom because I'm going to, again, cut it and then cut it to the shape of the bag because it is a little bit longer. I'm going to cut it to the shape of the bag and then stick the little animal up here. Okay. So, yes, I'm in my bathroom. I don't know if you guys hear an echo, but I'm going to see how I'm going to do this because I don't want to mess it up. Like I said, I'm gonna do it with a Sharpie, so I probably should do it with like something lighter, like a pencil. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure if I want to do like the big kind or just like little clouds. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so I did the Sharpie into like just little bump shapes just as a reference to where I'm going to cut. But as I'm cutting, I'm going to try and shape it into little clouds, I guess I'll call it. Okay, so I kind of just freehand it because it was not going to look right. So this is how much the top is what it was going to look like. And I was like, no. Okay, so I just went ahead and freehand. I feel like it's not even. But Let's see. Okay, I'll cut it a little bit more because it's just not even. But then if I keep cutting, I'm afraid I'm gonna just keep messing it up. Oh, but you guys know what? It's not gonna fit in the, like, all of it is not gonna fit on the bag. So it's gonna be up to like right there. It still looks a little off, but that's how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel the back. I don't know if the rest I should just do them with the grass kind of like spiky. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm really bad at this, but I know some of you guys wanted to see how they turn out. Okay, I'm sorry if the angle's a little off. I tried fixing it, but I don't know. It just looks like it keeps moving. But anyways, so here's what it looks like. This gap here is like annoying. But yeah, so it's my first bag, so hopefully the rest, you know, will come out a little bit better. But I'll go ahead and I'm gonna stick the elephant, this thing, like on it, like on the grass. So it's gonna look like this. So yeah, I think the glue gun is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and paste this. Alright guys, so here it is. Let me see if I could lighten that up a little bit. So here it is. I was getting annoyed because the glue, as soon as I put it on the bag, it just dried off. So I don't know if it's the type of glue that I was using, but I got this kind, the Gorilla one, and it dried up super quick. So I had to re-glue it, but here's what it looks like. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. And I don't know if I should add anything else. Give me you guys' comments, you know, opinions. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to DIYs. I try my best. I also went ahead and just freehanded this one, the little spike one that I was telling you guys about. It is gonna be a little shorter on the bag versus this one because of the little spiky thing that I did. But again, let's see how this turns out. Just getting, you know, an idea of, I guess, if I'll do the first one or this one. Okay, so I went ahead and I pulled out another card of the little animals. So I was gonna stick this one originally, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the giraffe just because of how low this looks, and the giraffe will kind of fill up some of that space versus this one was gonna look really small. So I was thinking if I do something like this that covers more of the bottom space and put the little ones, I don't know, you guys. So like I said, give me some opinions, what you guys think. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick the giraffe on this one. So I went ahead and put the giraffe because I feel like the giraffe takes up a lot of the space on here versus if I just added the little one. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. First bag, second bag. So let me know what you guys think. Should I do the rest low spike grass or this kind or both, or they both look good, and you know, whatever is easier for me, I'll just do it like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.